Well, is Bill Gates behind sudden Delhi rain? Uh, Sudden rain and cold showers brought some relief in Delhi and North India as the summer season was just about to enter its next phase. It has been raining in Delhi NCR, North India for past 24 hours. As per IMD, similar weather conditions are all also expected on March 23. Amid the pleasant weather, a viral claim linking Microscope co founder Bill Gates to recent rainfall in Delhi has been circulating widely across WhatsApp groups and social media platforms. As per the post, Bill Gates founded artificial rain or chemical spraying triggered the sudden shower in the capital. Viral claim. The rumor claims that Bill Gates is secretly weather experiment or chemical traits to make its rain. These stories spread quickly through short videos and messages, leading people to wonder if the recent downpour were man-made. In in truth, Bill Gates has absolutely nothing to do with the weather in Delhi. Hmm. Nothing to do with the weather in Delhi. Hmm.
This is absolutely fake news.